everybody, welcome back to Case Sisters. We're so excited. We have a new vlog out today. And it is called Make Cookies With Us. Yay! Okay, so we're going to be showing you how we're going to make these store-bought cookies.
Because this year we aren't going to do Christmas, basically. So we are doing our own version of Christmas because we aren't celebrating Christmas at home.
Well, basically to clarify what she's saying, we are doing Christmas. We're just not doing it at home.
Yeah, that's what I said. Listen.
I would disagree. Okay, so today we are making these super yum cookies.
You can't even say the name right.
Look like this. Honey. And we got icing from the
dye it our own colors.
Yeah. So, are you ready to get this party started? Wow! We're going to spray Pam onto the trays. Yay! So now we're taking the dough out of the box, which looks really ick right now. But she has a plan on making it look pretty. Right, Heidi?
Yeah, because I am the chef here.
Okay, well, I've actually made these before, so I feel as though I may be more of a pro, but she seems to have it understood. Don't you need some powder?
No.
Okay.
It's going to get dry then.
Okay. Because Heidi is a chef, she says, we're going to roll out the dough. Hello, viewers. Bogue just wanted a little moment of fame. So we already flopped. Because Heidi was really certain that we did not need any, what did you think we didn't need any of? Who was wrong? Yeah, so, this is really sad. So we're gonna have to put flour on the bottom.
It's going to make it dry.
No, it's not. That's how you have to do it. So it doesn't stick to everything. Yay.
Okay, we're putting down.
We're gonna put down flour. So, show the people. Anyways, we're gonna put down flour. Then we're gonna cut it again with the cup. And then we're gonna put it on the pan. And then we're gonna put it in the oven. So, yeah, it's kind of a slow process. We are making headway now. Heidi is now putting powder on this paper.
How do you feel paper? This is like cloth, Alexa. Haven't you not seen Dad make sugar cookies before?
Yeah, but I think she hasn't either in a while. Okay, so she's basically putting this on here, and now she's happily putting. Yes, way to go. She's finally doing it correctly. Guys, we have all of the cookies done. And now we're gonna take them and put them in the oven. So Heidi, we're putting this in the oven. Whatever, I'll do it. This is my one job. Okay, so welcome to the kitchen. Is it the top one that's on?
Yeah.
Okay, welcome. Okay, do you hear the sound? It's done!
Wait.
Okay, so we're gonna let these suckers cool for a little bit
We got another pan.
and get in the pan. So we'll see you back here in another 12 minutes or 2 seconds in your time.
So now, the main part is to wait for the cookies to cool, and then we can start frosting. Really bright. So, I'm gonna bring these over, and I'm going to start taking off all of the cookies off the pan, put them onto a rack so that they can cool and we can start decorating as soon as possible. This is Baker Chef stuff right here.
Hey everybody, so we're here and we are going to be decorating cookies.
You see the one I already made.
Show them. Yay, that's cute. Okay, so we're just gonna do a little time
I love
lapse.
how you just like can like show up and it's already ready.
That's what I'm all about, Heidi. That's what I'm all about, especially when I'm at home. So,
I think these suck. Like I bet they actually taste horrible.
no, they don't. They don't. Let me quick frost one.
Make sure it's the right color. Oh, it's so crunchy.
This already looks so yum. Okay. Okay, watch this. They're a little crunchy. These had so many.